These days, it's easier than ever to publish and watch video content. An entire generation spends much of their time online watching videos from their favorite video creators and publishers. Enormous amounts of money are being made from ads and even selling personal data. Big data, big bucks. But where does all this money go? Very little is being shared with creators, and viewers get nothing. Rules are changing all the time, but the only winners are the corporations and intermediaries. Verasity is a disruptive video sharing platform designed for the next generation. It's a platform that empowers creators and viewers, improving the experience of watching online video for everyone. Here's how it works. Using Veracity's own blockchain, viewers get paid in VERA for watching and sharing their favorite videos. They even get to choose whether they want to see ads or not. If they do, they'll get paid by advertisers for their attention. Creators decide how to share their videos by asking for donations, turning on pay-per-view, or offering subscriptions. And viewers reward the content creators they love directly, using VERA in real time, and all from within the player. In addition to direct rewards, the Spark Marketplace is a new take on crowdfunding. Creators finance growth for their channel, and users receive a share of the financial success. The absence of intermediaries means more profits go straight back to creators. Verasity, the future of online video.